सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So, miscellaneous rules. Don't see that now. I'm going to use a board. Just tell me if you can, all of you can see that. Can you see?
Yes.
Chu. Chu will be replaced by ku. Yes? When? My voice audible? Okay? Yeah. Chu will be replaced by ku. The condition is chu, that is chavarga, at the end of the padam, or followed by jal. So, any condition, right? And I give an example, Subanta example. In Subanta context, jalamuch, payomuch, many examples we saw. In this context, I given this example, tyaj. Can give a lot of examples. Tyaj is example. I'm taking the same example. Tyaj. This is jakara. Tyaj plus tavatu. Tyaj plus the content of tavatu. Kakara is it and who is it? It is tavat. Now what is this letter? It is Chu. Chavarga. Is it at the end of the padam? No. Don't say yes, no. It does not yet become a padam. Even after adding tavatu, you will not get the padam. It's going to be pratipadikam only. So second condition is dhatu followed by jal. Second, followed by jal. So two conditions I give at the end of the padam or followed by jal. So jal letter follows. So if jal letter follows, what will happen to chavarga letter? It will be replaced by the corresponding kavarga letter. What is the corresponding kavarga letter? Kakara. Why kakara? Why not we choose other letters? Why not kakara? Why not kha?
Because the first leg. The first leg.
The first?
The third leg.
Why? Why?
The third leg. Both third letters. The pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Tell me more details. Anybody?
Same place of pronunciation. Alpha prana.
Yeah, pronunciation. Tell me more about that.
Effort.
Huh?
Semi-effort.
What's that?
Similar effort or semi-effort?
Yeah, tell me the similar effort.
Alpha prana.
Alpha prana and? Okay. See, you can write the properties of the letter. Number one, it is vyanjanam. It is vyanjanam. All these things are not new. We have learned before. Vyanjanam. It's a consonant. What consonant? It's a class consonant. So, Vargiya Vyanjanam. The two, it is Vargiya Vyanjanam. Class consonant. Right? Okay. And it is Alpa prana. Jakara is alpa prana. Okay. Number 3. What else? What else you remember? So many things should come to your mind, huh? Soft consonant, that's important. Harsh letter. It is soft consonant. Chakara is soft. Right? Now, Jakara will be, that chu will be replaced by ku. Now, Kakara you take, Kavarga letter. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, and Na. These are the 5 letters, Kavarga. What are these 2? Ruled out. You cannot replace soft consonant. Right? What about the other 3? What about the other 3? Soft consonants. So any one can replace now. That also they have to filter it. Na is Nasika. Ruled out. Because here there is no nasal here. And what is left out? Alpa prana, Maha prana. This is Alpa prana. Leave. This is something new we are learning. We know it. Filtering out one by one. So, therefore, replace Jakara by Gakara. That is why when I taught the letters Varna, 108 day, I taught all the properties. This will be useful all the way. Remember I said? The properties will be useful all the way.
Somewhere not there. So,
The Varna, knowledge of the Varna, Ucharanam, everything is important. You can make a biography of a Varna. Okay. So, therefore, Tyag plus Tavat. Now, after this, what we can apply? Tyag plus. Can you apply just with the number 1? What is the rule for? What is the Padanta? Padantaja will be replaced by just. You cannot apply that. Any other rule? Stutvam, no. You cannot apply any other rule. So you have to go to the just with the number 2. You see the sequence of the rules in the chart. This is a gel letter followed by kar letter followed by kar. Therefore, this gel will be replaced by char letter. Now, again the same thing. Jar letter is Gakara, replaced by char letter. What are the char letters? Huh? Yes, first letter of all the classes and the sibilants. Okay, all the sibilants are, even sibilant, not all the sibilants, because high is not there. So all these sibilants, sha, sha, sa, what are they? Alpa prana, maha prana. Maha prana, right? And Gakara is, so remove that. So that cannot come. So first letter of all other classes, all the classes, cha, starting from ka, cha, ta, pa. Gakara is, I will say Gakara, then you have to supply some. Gatur, Kanta. Gakara is Kanta. Pakara is Oshta, that will not come. Takara, dental, that will not come. Takara, cerebral, that will not come. Chakara, palatal, that also will not come. What is left out? Guttural. This is guttural. Replace it. This is a logic. Logic you know, right? This logic, it's not a new one. So you get Tyak, Tyakta, Tyaktavatu. This is the form. Now this is a Kridanta. What anta? Kridanta. Kridanta, therefore it is a Pratipadikam. Can be declined, all the genders. Okay. So Tyaktavan, Tyaktavati, Tyaktavatu. You want to copy this? Already copied, I think. So this is one rule. Okay. But you have good pencil, which is more brighter. No?
You can't use the blue one. There is a new blue one.
You blue one, please give me. So this chu replaced by ku. Oh, it's not going also. So this rule, remember, chu replaced by ku, right? Chavarga replaced by kavarga when followed by, when at the end of the padam are followed by jal, right? Next. Next one, we are going to see Hakara. Next rule, okay. Next rule. Hakara will be replaced by Dhakara. Hakara will be replaced by Dhakara.
This is the miscellaneous rule?
Huh?
It's the miscellaneous rule or it's part of the Tabat rule?
It's a part of?
The Tabat one that we are seeing. Is it 12?
It's going to come there. It's connected to that. First let me teach the rule and then we'll see how it is connected to Tavatu. Hakara, I'm going to give an example for Tavatu only. Hakara will be replaced by Dakara. What will you ask? When it is replaced, the same condition. Hakara at the end of the padam are followed by jal. This rule immediately comes after the Skutva rule in the Sutra Pata. Okay. So Hakara will be replaced by Takara when Hakara at the end of the padam are followed by jal. Is the rule clear? Same condition. Previously Chavarga replaced by Kavarga. Here only one letter. Hakara replaced by Dakara. Now, don't write, just watch. This involves 3 or 4 rules. If you miss it, then somewhere you will get caught, you won't be able to understand the final form. So pay attention. I will type this and show it to you also. First listen. Cook is a dhatu. Taking the Tavatu, Pratyaya. Our context is Tavatu. Guk plus Tavat. What happens? Here, Guk, it is a Padanta. Hakara? No. So, that is ruled out. What is the second condition? If that is not followed, next condition. Followed by Jal. Therefore, can be replaced by Dakara? Yes. So, Guk becomes good. Good plus, yeah, Tavat. Then, after that, something can happen, which I taught yesterday. That rule I taught yesterday. What is that? Huh? Huh? No. What is that? Not Chartva. No. Yesterday we saw that rule. Yes. What is it? Tell me. It's good. That's a rule.
Dhatus ending with just letter and not take sorry, a th or th following just after dhatu will be replaced by.
Yes, will be replaced by, that is a rule. Jash. It's not only for the dhatu, the context is dhatu, I gave dhatu in general. Is this not a just letter? Jash. Jhabani Ghadadash. Jash, 4th letter of all the classes. Followed by Takara. Not followed by Takara, you should not say like that. Takara preceded by Dakara. Takara preceded by Dakara. Which is a change. Where the change happens here? In the rule, please see yesterday, we saw this rule. Huh? Which undergoes change? Dakara undergoes change or Takara? Please see the rule. Come on. Huh? Both. Why both? Please come to your conclusion. Which one? So, dakara, takara, two things are there. Takara is going to be replaced. So, which is a stani? Any doubt in that? Come on. Takara is going to be replaced, right? So, which is a stani? Takara is stani. For that, the nimitta is dakara, right? Just letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, takara or takara, when preceded by just letter, will be replaced by dhakara. That is the rule. So, takara is a stani. That condition is fulfilled. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why is it nakara? Why is nakara here?
That's because there is a one ending with
Huh?
That's the ending with
That is dhakara dhatu, not dakara. Dakara is different. Dha is different. Okay. Anyway, I will come to that also. Don't worry. So, takara will be replaced by dakara. The rule you know, we saw yesterday. So, this is good plus dhavat. Right? After that, this rule you know, this is not something new which we saw yesterday. This is the only new rule I am teaching you. So, rule number 1, new rule. Then after this, what's a new rule, sir? You have invented new rule. Come on, tell me about this rule. Just, huh? Just. Dakara is which letter? Okay. And dakara is? Expand your, what do you call it, your attention. Compare with other rules. They are missing one rule in between. Yes. What is that? Shtutva will happen or not? Dakara is 2. This is 2. Will not shtutam happen? Why does that doesn't occur? Immediately jumping to Jashtavidhi. When tavarga is there, shtutam, that should come to mind immediately. Okay. Will not shtutam apply? After shtutam, you can apply Jashtavidhi if it is applicable. Yes? So, apply shtutam now. What will happen? Which will undergo change? Dakara. Dakara will change, right? So, what will happen? Good plus, huh? The same Dakara come, Dhavat, good plus Dhavat. This rule also you know, Shtutta Sandhi. This is also you know, we saw it yesterday. Now, after this, 2 rules will come. Listen. Dakara is followed by Dakara. Dakara followed by Dakara. Listen. This Dakara will become Lopaha. Vanish. It's a new rule. Dade Lopaha. Not Daddy Lopaha. Dade Lopaha. You will see that. When Dakara is followed by Dakara, this Dakara will become Lopaha. Not only that, the preceding letter, what is the letter? U, which is un letter. What is un? A, E, U, that's all. Don't keep on saying. Short un, not the long un. We have got 2 uns, you know. Yes? Yes or no? Ayun, Ralat, Eom, Ayauj, Ayavarat, Lan. That Lan is used only in one particular place, that's all. In all other places, short and only. Okay. So, always say Ayivu, short. So, preceded by Rasva and. Can we say Rasva and? That will become Dirgha. That will become Dirgha. So, 2 things happens. U becomes Gu and Dakara becomes Lopaha. Then this Dakara You get? Okay. So here, three rules. Listen again. Dakara will be replaced by dakara at the end of the padam or followed by jal. Number one, that is done here. Then after that, the rule what we saw yesterday, that is takara or takara will be replaced by takara when preceded by just letter. Number two, and number three, shtutva sandhi happens. That already we know. And when dakara followed by dakara, dakarasya lopaka bhavati, and purva and rasva will become longer. So four. If you see the order of the rules, this is 8 to 31. I'm just saying the sequence. Chogo kugu, that is kutta is 8 to 30. Am I right? Just check 8 to 30. This is 8 to 31. Just this one. And after that, this dakara becoming dakara. That number is, I've given that rule.
8, 4, 4 to 1.
8,
4, 4 to 1.
not 8, 4.
Shtutva, no?
8, 3, no. This is,
You haven't given the number.
okay, 8 to 40. 8 to 40. And this Dade Lopa is 8, 3, 30. So you see the sequence 31, 40 and 30. When this thing happens, Purva and also will become Dirgha. That is in Sapada Saptadhyaya, it doesn't matter, but that also applicable. This is a sequence. You understand this?
And what is the rule for unbecoming dirgha?
Dralope Purvasya Dirgo Anaha. That is in Sapada Saptadhyaya, 6.3. So now I'm not writing that. It's okay. That you connect to this 8.3. All these rules will be inserted in the table. Okay. First you understand the rules. Understanding the rules will be helpful all the way. If you understand now, whether you study sutra or not doesn't matter. When I teach you sutra, it becomes so easy. And when you see the word now, you apply this rule and you will get the forms. You see how logical it is. You are missing shtutva. We get oriented, practice, do practice. Don't miss the shtutva. That is applicable shtutvam. Don't jump and go to jastva. Is it clear? This is not enough. This is not over. Some more rules are there. Exception going to come. So I said in the beginning, be alert and get ready for the rules. After that, I will show you the examples. You'll understand. Any doubt in this?
Shall we write this? Or?
Yes, please write. Understand this first.
Sharanji, the first one, Hadanta Hakara, followed by...
I will write that. Don't worry.
Ah.
Write these examples now.
The last one, there is some number.
Last one, 8.3.30.
The did.
That is not required. Because it is in the Sapada Saptadhyaya, that's why I am not giving that. Okay. You can, when you're writing this, you can write this, the description also. I didn't switch off. Oh, okay, I should have. Oh, yeah, by mistake I did. I should have. I given another example also here. You can see that the same steps. Kara at the end of the padam or followed by jal will be replaced by takara. I think we have done 5 rules yesterday, right? Just miscellaneous number of rules.
Yes.
What was the previous rule? I think this is the one you would have written. Takara, takara. Yes, now we can write this. Number 6. Takara at the end of the padam or followed by a jal letter will be replaced by takara. 8 to 31. Example, guk plus tavatu becomes good plus tavat, and good plus tavat becomes good plus dhavat. This dhavat is by the previous rule, rule number 5 in this miscellaneous rule, takara. Please note that.
Sharanji, can I ask something? Hakara at the end of the padam, vuk is padam or dhatu?
Dhatu.
So this is
Not only
overall.
particular dhatu, anything.
We have to look, I mean, this is under jal. Second.
Yes, yes, yes. So, this rule we have seen previous rule number 5 applies. Then after this, Shtutva Sandhi, I am not writing it here, please understand, don't miss that Shtutva Sandhi. Then after that, Dakara becomes Lopaha and Purva and becomes Dirgha. That I can write. Maybe I can. Now I will write like this, the star mark. Have you copied this sentence? Hagara, please do it. I need space, I have to type now. So, Dakara when followed by Dakara. This is for the star. You can see that star mark is there. Star. Dakara. When followed by Dakara will become Lopaha and the preceding Hrasva and will become Dirgha. That is by the rule 8.3. 8.3.13. 8.3.13 and Relope Purva says 63111. 63111. Okay. 63111. So let me write like this. Purva and becoming Dirgha and by 6311. Dakara followed by Dakara Lopaha by 8313.
Sharanji,
Yes.
is it the first Dakara which load?
Yes. Condition is very clear. Dakara when followed by Dakara, not that Dakara. First Dakara only will become Lopaha. That's why Purva and. Is this rule clear? Yes.
Digits, I don't know the digits in Sanskrit.
Huh?
It's very difficult.
Which one?
The digits.
Huh?
Digits, the numbers.
Sankhya. Oh. Okay.
So
Be familiar then. This is 3. You need to know. I'm not going to change it. 8. This is 8. This is 3. This is 1, 3. Copy this. The example, Rukh Dhatu becomes Ruda. Have you heard this Ruda? Arohati Rukh Dhatu. He climbs the horses. Saha Ashvam Arohati. Saha Ashvam Arudavan. Simple. He climbed up past. Saha Ashvam. Agam Sopanam, climbing down. Avarohami, how do you say? Avarudavan, climbing down. Sopanam is steps. I climbed down the steps. Yata agam sopanam avarudavan tata agam apatavam, fell down. Patitavan. Okay. Copy this. Done? Yes. Keep all these rules as a tool with you. Whenever required, need to take it out and apply. It should be readily available with you. Now, see this. This we have seen. Dhatus ending with Chavarga, taking no itagama. We have seen yesterday this. Tej becomes Tektavan, Yuj becomes Yuktavan. Did we saw or not?
Yes.
We saw yesterday. So now, Dhatu ending with Hakara and taking no itarma becoming Dakara. Already explained this. Now you see, Rud becomes Rudavatu. You see, Ru becomes U. Hakara becoming Dakara. Rudha. Lick becomes, lick means to lick. Lick is licking. The payasam you lick, right? Lick becomes lead. Leadavan. Saha payasam leadavan. Leadavati. So Vakh becomes, okay, Vakh, what happens to Vakh? Samprasaranam. Va becomes U and U becomes U, then Udavan. Vakh means to carry, right? Saha Vahanam Udavan. He pulls, he draws the vehicle. Udavan. Okay. So that is why star mark is there. You understand star is Samprasanam in this context. I have given a footnote. Sah becomes specific. How it becomes, don't worry. Sa becomes so, Sodavan. Exception. Sa becomes not Sadavan. Sodavan. Okay. Shaknoti igaiva sodam praksharira vimokshanat. Comes in Gita, 5th chapter. Remember the shloka? What chapter is that? 5th chapter? What is the topic? Karma Sannyasa Yoga. That is the topic. There you will see these shlokas. Shaknoti igaiva yasodam praksharira vimokshanat. Iti shloka number 22 or 23. Okay. Then Gah becomes Gadavan. Nothing happens. Because already it is Dirgha and so Hakara only become Dakara. Mukh becomes Modavan. Saha Modavan is deluded. Modavan. Mukh means to sink. Mukhyati. Moha. Delusion. That is Dhatu. Mukh Dhatu. Becomes Modavan. Moda is not a fool. Okay. That is Murkha. Murkha is fool. Moda is not a fool. Moda may be brilliant, but that time his mind is deluded because of Aviveka becomes Modavan. Snik. From this Dhatu only Sneha comes. Sneha is love. Sneha, snik. What is it? Snik. Snik. What do you call that sticky thing? Snik. It's a glue. The stick. Because it is sticky, it's sticky, that's why it's called, what is the Sneha? Because sticks, no? That's why it's Sneha. Snik Dhatu becomes, see, Hakara become Dakara, and Purva and Ni become Ni, Sneedavan, Sneedavatu. Okay. So all these dhatus, you can see the similarity, that is why grouped together. You can, to some extent, you can guess. If you know the rule, you can guess the form. Certain dhatus are exception, you won't be able to guess like Sah. It is not so straightforward. Sah becomes Swardavan means Swardavan only. Done? Okay. Now, in this example, in this, I have given all these, the same thing I have given, but only one example for each. Different categories, only one example. So here, what we have to say is, I think number 11, 12, yeah. So I just copy paste from here. Rukh Dhatu. Tomorrow after Vedanta class, I'll give you this sheet. Somebody can come and collect from the office. Today I thought of giving, but not do it. Then okay, let me do, you tell me the steps. I'm going to do for, let me do for Snik. You can tell me the steps. Snik plus Tavatu. Then Dakara, right? Then after that. Trutvam happens. So it becomes Davat. After that, Takara Lopaha, Purvasya, Rasvan becomes Dirgha. So Snida, Snidavat. Got it? Yes. Then this example not required. Okay, then. So this done. Next rule now. Okay. The next rule. So the Hakara we are seeing. We said Akara becomes Dhakara. Previous rule. But now we say Akara will be replaced by Dhakara. The same Dhakara is replaced by Dhakara. When? Condition is. Condition is same. When at the end of the Padam or followed by Jal becomes. Then what is the difference between the previous and this one? No, no. Good guess, but not that one.
Preceded by.
Not preceded by. The condition for becoming Hakara, becoming Gakara is same. Padanta or followed by Jal. Okay. Now, this Hakara should be belonging to the Dhatu beginning with Dakara. Should be belonging to the Dhatu beginning with Dakara. There are so many Dakara Adi Dhatu. That is Dakara Adi Dhatu. Like Dakh Dhatu, Dakh to burn, and similarly Drukh Dhatu. So you can see here Dakh, Akara, Akara, and Dakara is the first letter of the Dhatu. Right? So if the Dhatu has Dakara at the beginning, Dakara Adi Dhatu. Can you follow? Dakara Adi? Dakaraha Adihi beginning. So Dakara, if the Dhatu is Dakara Adi, then Hakara must be replaced by Dakara, not Dakara. Exception. That is why in the previous, you see, any Dakara Adi Dhatus are there. In this, you just see, Rukh, Lip, Vak, Sab, Gah, Buk, Snake. There is no Dakara Adi Dhatu. Now we are going to see Dakara Adi Dhatu. If Dakara Adi Dhatus, then Hakara must be replaced by Gakara. Okay. So, for that, we can take some example. Just checking because there is one more rule connected to that. I should not use those dhatu. Okay. I can take the dakh dhatu. Taking dakh dhatu, dakh plus tavatu. Hakara, will it become dakara? No. Why? Because dhatu begins with dakara. Dakara the dhatu. Therefore, must be replaced by dakara. So it becomes dakh, mahaprana. Dakh plus tavatu. Not dakh. Dakh plus tavat. Right, tavat. I can make it tavat. Right? After this, replaced by? You know the rule. After that, Dakara. Jash. This is ta. Takara or Takara preceded by Jash will be replaced by Dhakara. So, Dak plus becomes Davat. This will become Davat. Right? After this, Jashtram. Yes. No Shtutta Sandhi and Shtutta Sandhi, nothing will happen because this is Kavarga, this is the. So you can safely bypass, crossover, not bypass. Cross that rule. Go further. What is the rule comes? Jashtva Vidhi number 2. Jhal followed by Jash. So what will happen to this Jhal letter? Replaced by Jash. What is the Jash letter? Gakara. So you get Dak, Dagda, Dagdavat, that is a form. Jnana Vidagdha Karmanam comes in Gita. Dagda, burnt. Saha Dagdavan, he burnt. Saha Sarvani Karmani Dagdavan, Jnanena. Right? So Dagdavat. Please listen, explain again. Hakara will be replaced by Gakara if the Dhatu begins with Dakara. Dakaradi Dhatu having Hakara followed by Jal in this condition will be replaced by Gakara. After that, you know, apply these Dhatha replaced by Dakara and preceded by just letter. Then apply just with number 2, you get the form. Clear? Yes? No?
Like this is clear, but when there are many roots and
It will come, that's how Samskrtam you have to learn.
Otherwise it's clear, you explain.
Yes, it's clear, it will be clear. There will be repetition like Sandhi, it will come. So, copy this. You can copy this in the screen also. Hakara of the Dakara Dhatu at the end of the Padam are followed by a Jal letter will be replaced by Kakara Dhade Dhator Gaha 8232. Udaharanam, the same Dhatu I have taken. Yes. Dak plus Tavatu, Dak plus Tavat, Dak becomes Dak plus Davat, then just with the Dak Davat. Please copy this. Number 7. Understand the rule? So starting from Kutva, Chavarga becoming Kavarga, Hakara becoming Dakara, Hakara becoming Gakara, right? And Hakara becoming Dakara, we saw one more rule also. That is Dakara becomes Lopaha and Purvan becomes Dirgha. If you want, you can write the number here. I am not writing the number. Please write the number. Dak plus Tabatu. This is 8, 2, 32. Then this becomes just Tato, the 8 to 40. This becomes 8 to 40. This is 8 to 40 and this one is just the number 2, 8, 4, 53. In chemistry, you see the equation, right? NaCl plus H2SO4 becomes sodium sulfate, and then you get sulfuric acid. So like that, you have to give the equation here. Tomorrow is Wednesday. That's why I'm loading with some information. Take time to ruminate on that. Everything you take slowly, you do. Bring it out and digest. You chew it and then digest. Not just gulp it, okay? Huh? Yes. The same thing I'm going to use for Tapratya, so that will be easy. It's a little difficult in the beginning. It becomes easy later. Which 53. Hakara of the Dakara Dhatus will be replaced by Gakara, either at the end of the Padam or followed by Jal. Then after that apply this rule that Tha preceded by Jash will be replaced by Dakara. Then after that just with the number 2. Okay. Done?
Yes.
Now then. Next one.
Can you just write the datus?
Yes, I'll show you, sorry. Yeah, I've not shown this. Yes. See, here I'm giving some examples. For the following dhatus ending with Hakara and taking no Itagama and becoming Gakara. Mukh dhatu becomes Mukdavan. Another way. We saw Mudavan. It can also become Mukdavan. We will see that, don't worry. Okay. This we will see. Dak becomes Dagdavan. Example I have seen. Dit becomes Digdavan. The snake and mukh already we covered, right? These two in the previous exam. Yes? Yes or no? Mukh. It is in the previous one. Akara becoming Dakara. We saw. You can see here. Mukh and snake. The same thing is coming here. That is what we are going to see. Okay. The next one. It is another form. So therefore, one more rule. You can write these two. These two are specific to this rule. Akara becoming Gakara. Whereas Mukh and Snig, again it has come. Again it has become Dakara. That we will see now. Okay. So what is that? Let's see. First we saw Hakara becoming Dakara. This is number 1. Second we saw Hakara becoming Gakara. But here it is specific condition Dakara adi dhatu. Not all the dhatu. A part of this condition is taken by this condition. Yes? If you see, take this as a rule, Hakara becoming Dakara. In that, there is one subset where it is Dakara adi Hakara. If this comes, then Gakara is the Adesha, right? Now, this is, that's why this is an exception, right? Now there is going to be a overlap between these two. So this is what we are going to see. That is why we got out of the form. Mathematics, you know that, what is the diagram called? Venn diagram, right? Intersection, but it's called Venn diagram. Venn diagram. In some mathematics. See, anyway, so here now. The third one is what? That is one specific. Don't write as written. Drukh dhatu, mukh dhatu. Yeah, it is snook. I will write like this. Snook. You know how it becomes snook? I have the board at the last line you can see snook is there. I am writing it as snook. Can I write? Yes. In the dhatu pata you will find snook. Okay. Here this dhatu beginning with more than a shakara will become sakara. We have seen that. So when that becomes sakara, this more than a nakara will become danti nakara. Snook. That is what I have written here. Right? Understand? In the dhatu pata, more than a shakara will be there. So once this becomes sakara, this more than a also will go back one step. See, when this sakara becomes shakara, what will happen? This nakara becomes more than a nakara. When this itself again back to sakara, this will become nakara. That is what has happened. Nimitta apaya, nimitika apaya. When the cause is removed, the effect will not be there. That is what it is. Right? So, snook, I am writing the snook. Similarly, the last one, what is the dhatu? How can I write? Snake. Can I write snake? Yes. So, only for these 4 dhatus, there is going to be an overlap. If for these 4 dhatus, the hakara can be optionally replaced by dakara also. Can be optionally replaced. It means this dukh, mukh, what will take generally? Dakara. And snuk what it will take? Dakara. And snik, dakara. And druk is, it is gakara. Okay, and we say optionally becomes dakara can take gakara. I mean here hakara can take gakara optionally, and hakara can take gakara optionally, and similarly snik, that hakara can take gakara optionally. Similarly here druk becomes, just a minute. Can take dakara, it is not here, can take dakara optionally. Even though this is dakara, the dhatu should take dakara, we can apply the first one also. So all these have two possibilities. The replacement of hakara by either gakara or dakara. So these four dhatus are the overlapping here. Okay. So mukh dhatu already we saw replaced by dakara. In the example, previous example we saw. Now we will see mukh replaced by gakara. Because option. Only these four dhatus. Only for these drugha, mugha, shnugha, sniga. Not for any other dhatu. These four dhatus, hakara, can optionally take gakara. That by general rule dakara, optionally gakara. So now let us do one. I am taking mukh dhatu. The same mukh dhatu. With dakara we got the form moda, modavan. With gakara, let us see. Tavat becomes mukh plus tavat. Hakara will be replaced by gakara because dakara already we did. So becomes mukh. Mukh. Mukh becomes mukh. Mukh plus tavat. After that, you know the rule. Takara will become dakara. Mukh plus davat. Then apply Jashtavidi. What will happen to gakara? So you get mukta. This is ga. Okay. Muktavat. Saha muktavan. Muktavati. That's what I have written. So this is the previous one. Okay. So optionally we have muktavat. You can see here. So muktavat I have written two forms. Replaced by gakara you get the form muktavat. Replaced by dakara you get mudavat. That already we have seen. The previous category it falls. So you can write now. Hakara are the dhatus druk, mukh, shnuk and snik at the end of the padam are followed by jal will be replaced by gakara optionally. Therefore gakara is optional. It can take dakara or gakara. Therefore you will have two forms. That is why those two dhatus you find repeated in the table. So yes.
At the end of the padam.
Serving time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just hakara of these four dhatus at the end of the padam. What
Yes.
does it mean?
We will see that when it comes. Now it followed by gel letter. That much is enough. The condition is enough now. So these four will have formed. Now you can write later. Let me explain this. Okay, this table you can see the dhatus. That is why these two dhatus, mukh and snik, we have got one more forms. Muktavan, in that case mudavan, snidavan becomes snigdavan. So two possibilities. For two dhatus I have given, other dhatus I have not given here. Right? Now we can copy. Understand this? So these three rules are interconnected. Drupdama. Huh? Yes, please. Copy this.
Is it the same number?
Same number, no. Va Durga Mukha, it is 833. Please change it. 33 must be. Yes, 33. Va Durga Mukha Ashnu Vashnava. You can write this Udaharanam and this also you can write, both, because optional form, both you write. Even though you would have written the second one, but still you write. You want to copy this? Please finish copying. This one?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And one more, not two more tables are there. One is Samskrtam table, other one is irregular forms. I thought I will complete today. So tomorrow after class, you can get the copies from the office and give it to them, so that they can think on this, work on this. Only there is miscellaneous rule and the Tavatu forms. For each one dhatu, those two sheets. Then you can copy one minute before that. Let me see this one table, 2, 3. Okay. Two more tables are there. Two are not regular, and one is Samskrtam. I think we can do it on Thursday. So I thought Thursday we can start Tapratya. It's okay, one more day. Then we can start. Okay, stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. I don't know whether Dhanyavad